Hi guys, welcome to Excel and Math Sci. Today we'll be looking at how to use the product rule to differentiate this following function, where we have y is equal to natural log of root x cos 3 minus 2x. So I assume you know how to use the product rule. I have written the product rule up here. Now, when differentiating this function, we need to be very careful because there is a number of rules we need to use. In the first instance, when we're differentiating the outer function, we need to use the chain rule. And then differentiating the inner function, we need to use the product rule and the chain rule once again. So let's go ahead and do that. So dy by dx would equal to, so differentiating the outer part of this would just simply give me 1 over, that'll be root x times cos 3 minus 2x multiplied by the derivative of the inner part. And the inner part, of course, is root x cos 3 minus 2x. Now, when differentiating the inner part, what I'm going to do, I'm going to call this portion my u, and this part of the function, I'm going to call that v. So now we're going to be using the product rule to differentiate that. And then that would give me, so if I differentiate this part here, so remember root x is simply x to the half. So if I differentiate my u, so du by dx would give me a half x to the minus a half times the v, which of course is cos of 3 minus 2x. That'll be plus, now that would be dv by dx times u, so I'll just put my u in here, which is root x, times, now differentiating this part, that'll give me minus, so I'm just using a dot for multiplication there, so it'll be minus sine 3 minus 2x multiplied by, so then differentiating the inner part of this portion here, which will give me minus 2. I'm just going to move this up a bit. So then this would give me, so I'll have 1 over, so I'm just going to keep this as it is. So that'll be root x cos 3 minus 2x multiplied by, of course, by this. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to tidy this up a bit. So here I have cos 3 minus 2x over 2 root x and plus the minus 2 and the minus will cancel and give me a plus. So I'll have 2 root x sine 3 minus 2x. Now if I multiply this all together, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply both of these parts by this, then that would give me 2 root x times root x will simply give me just x, so I'll have 3 minus 2x. So I'm not missing any steps out, so you can see what's happening with all the cancellations. So that'll give me 2x cos 3 minus 2x. That would give me plus 2 root x sine 3 minus 2x over root x cos 3 minus 2x. Now if I cancel everything down, so this would cancel, and that'll leave me with 1 over 2x plus, now this would cancel with that, and sine over cos of course is tan, so I'll have 2 tan 3 minus 2x, and that would be my final answer. Okay guys, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you for watching.